Hey everyone, we're back and today we're going to do a review of this product, the Simoniz Headlight Renewal Kit. This older Kia, it's about 12, 13 years old. The headlights are very weathered looking, they're very cloudy. We'll see if this kit will do the trick. You're watching Dave's Auto DIY. So when you open the kit, this kit costs about $16 by the way, so it wasn't very expensive. There's 3 different grits of sanding material and some polish and a cloth, a little holder. Let's get started. So it says to do this wet, so spraying a little bit of water on there. We'll start with the 2000 grit. Wipe that off, put a bit more water on, and we'll move to the 3000 grit. And we'll move finally to the 4000 grit. And so the final step is you use the polish that it comes with on the polishing pad. It says to put a little cross on the polishing pad and finish up with a rubbing in the polish. Nice round motions. And then we just wipe off that polish. So after the polish, there was some areas that still look cloudy. It's hard to tell if that's on the inside or the outside of the lens. So I'm going back and went back to the 3000 grit and going over some of the spots again. Okay, I think that worked. Going over it with the 3000, the 4000 and the polish a second time on some of the spots that were still cloudy made a big difference.
So following the instructions on the box, it took no more than about 15 minutes to clear up both headlights. Let me know in the comments section how it works out for you, but I think this is a quick, efficient, and inexpensive way to improve the look of an older vehicle.
Okay, so it definitely worked. It's an improvement. It's not perfect. It's hard to tell whether the lenses are a little bit discolored on the inside of the plastic as well, which is possible for a car this old, but it looks better. So I'm going to give it 5 stars. So I hope you learned something. I hope you hit subscribe, and I hope to see you next time on Dave's Auto DIY.